Alkaline foods are important so as to bring about a balance. Like all experts and doctors have been saying for years, we should have a balanced meal with a good mix of everything, rather than restraining ourselves to have only a certain category of food items. Alkaline foods therefore help in countering the risks of acidity and acid refluxes, bringing some sort of relief. Most traditional Indian meals contain alkaline food items to create a balanced diet. If you have ever tried a typical Assamese lunch, it always starts with a dish called kha. Kha also refers to the main ingredient in the dish, which is an alkali extracted from the peels of a banana varietal known as bean coal. The peels are dry roasted and preserved, and before preparing the dish, are soaked in warm water to obtain a brownish filtrate which is then used in cooking. The dish can be made with different ingredients, but the one made with raw papaya is most cherished, known as amatar kha. If raw papaya isn't available, then cabbage or squash is used as well. Sometimes, a fried fish head is scrambled into the dish during the later stages of the cooking process. Kha is believed to be good for the stomach, easing digestion. Alkaline foods for your daily diet. 1. Green leafy vegetables. Most green leafy vegetables are said to have an alkaline effect in our system. It is not without reason that our elders and health experts always advise us to include greens in our daily diet. They contain essential minerals which are necessary for the body to carry out various functions. Try including spinach, lettuce, kale, celery, parsley, arugula and mustard greens in your meals. 2. Cauliflower and broccoli. If you love sautéed broccoli and Asian spices or gobi matar, they are both good for you. They contain several phytochemicals that are essential for your body. Toss it up with other veggies like capsicum, beans and green peas and you have your health dose right there. 3. Citrus fruits. Contrary to the belief that citrus fruits are highly acidic and would have an acidic effect on the body, they are the best source of alkaline foods. Lemon, lime and oranges are loaded with vitamin C and are known to help in detoxifying the system, including providing relief from acidity and heartburn. 4. Seaweed and sea salt. Did you know that seaweed or sea vegetables have 10 to 12 times more mineral content than those grown on land? They are also considered to be highly alkaline food sources and are known to bring about various benefits to the body system. You can tip in nori or kelp into your bowl of soup or stir fries or make sushi at home. Or just sprinkle some sea salt into your salads, soups, omelette, etc. 5. Root vegetables. Root vegetables like sweet potato, taro root, lotus root, beets and carrots are great sources of alkali. They taste best when roasted with a little sprinkling of spices and other seasonings. Most often, they are overcooked, which makes them lose out all their goodness. Pay attention while cooking and you will fall in love with root veggies as you learn to include them in soups, stir fries, salads and more. 6. Seasonal fruits. Every nutritionist and health expert will tell you that adding seasonal fruits in your daily diet can prove to be beneficial to your health. They come packed with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants that take care of various functions in the body. They are good alkaline food sources too, especially kiwi, pineapple, persimmon, nectarine, watermelon, grapefruit, apricots and apples. 7. Nuts. Love to munch on nuts when hunger pangs kick in? Besides being sources of good fats, they also produce an alkaline effect in the body. However, since they are high in calories, it is important to have limited quantities of nuts. Include cashews, chestnuts and almonds in your daily meal plan. Did you try any of these foods in your diet to stay healthy? Which alkaline food you prefer in your diet? Please, let us know in the comments below. We would like to really hear your opinion. If you have found this video helpful, please like this video. It really means a lot to us. And if you think it might help one of your friends, don't be shy and share this video with them as well. That way, we all can help people we care about to live happier life. And if you didn't do so yet, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to receive more informational videos that will improve your health and lifestyle. Thank you for watching this Alkaline Foods to Eat Everyday video and we will see you on our next video. Bye bye.